My name is Patrick Sublett. I'm a weld lead here at ShopSabre. My typical work day is going to be consisting of pretty much overlooking the router tables. That includes the IS tables, the Pro tables, and the SS23 tables. And as one of the leads, I help answer any questions that anybody has and help create a good final product. I've had quite a few years in the experience, about 10 years in welding. Before that, I was in the culinary industry. I even went to school for it. I've done everything from painting to sandblasting, and then spent quite a few of my years welding. So I found myself kind of in every little nick of the trade, and this is someplace I've kind of found to call home. I like to do some metal work myself at home. I like to do a little bit of woodwork. I do cooking outside of work. I used to be a professional chef and then just kind of found my way into this industry. A little bit of a jack of all trades, kind of a master of none, but that's what makes it fun. And I think what customers appreciate the most is the customability that we are able to have here. The fact that we tailor to the customer's needs. We've made custom products for people before. They are kind of far and few between, but when the job calls for them, we are able to create the product for them. We all are able to work off of each other. We help each other out. Mistakes always happen, but we always move forward through them. We are constantly working to improve our product. We even have CNC machines and plasma cutter machines in the house, and ones that we do use. We constantly look to improve out of customers' suggestions and own personal use as well. That way we can troubleshoot our own items just by using them. I want to be able to be proud of the item that I make and send it out so the customer is proud of that product as well. I don't like sending out something that's going to be half shoddy or something that's going to be bad. I want to create something that somebody can show off to their friends, their family, or even other coworkers, something that's going to be impressive and that you're going to love having. If you ever consider a career here at ShopSabre, I do highly recommend it. It doesn't matter if you're overly trained, if you've had years of experience in a specific industry, either electronics, painting, welding, anything that we do here, or if you're brand new to the industry. We will always help somebody who's brand new. We will always be able to help somebody to learn something new, and we're always willing to try something new.